Okay, I got my Craftsman 6.5 amp reciprocating saw. It is a wired reciprocating saw. It's not battery powered, but see if it works. So it works now, but I had a problem with the cord, and I disassembled it, but it took some doing, and there's no other videos that show how to disassemble this thing, so I'm gonna kind of show you. The side with the two screws, I took them out, but they don't do anything. So the side with the 2, 4, 6 screws is the side that will come off. And once you get these off, you got to kind of pry it, and there's two snap lugs that go here, and you just basically, I stuck a screwdriver in here and I pried it up, and it came off. So these are the two holes that these locking lugs go into. So that's how you take it apart. So let's see if it'll come on here. Yep. So right there, the switch works, but the problem is right here. There's either the wires broke, or something. It's not making contact. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this back and either splice it or just cut it back and then reconnect it to the switch. Alright, no worky. Worky, right here. Something right here. So I'm going to unplug it and flip it over here. Take this bad boy out. There, and the black goes black towards the trigger. So let's see what's going on here. Alright, well, let me strip it back and check where the broken wire is, and I'll get back with you. Well, it's the white wire, because don't do this at home, kiddies. You can see it spark, maybe. Yep, see it? Right there where my fingers were. So anyway, what I'll do is I'll clip it here, and just I'll be that much shorter on my cord, but it'll work. Alright, be right back. Ready to reassemble it. Let's do a function test. Go. Alright, works good, lasts a long time. I'm gonna screw everything back down now. Okay, I got the wires routed in these little grooves here to make sure that they don't bind when I put the cover back on. And also, it's important to put this little grommet shielding into its groove before you put the bracket back on, or else you won't be able to get it on, because the wire is going to be cinched down. Like so. There we go. Just going to snug it down. Not going to cinch it so it won't break the wire again. Knock this out just a bit. Alright, do one last function check before I seal it back up. Yep, it still works like a champ. Alright, so here's how this fits in. Basically, I pried it until it popped open, so I'm guessing what I have to do is just kind of pop it back in. like a so. I tell you, these reciprocating saws are invaluable tools when you're doing demolition. I highly recommend getting, if you can only afford one, get the corded one, because you will always have power, and there's definitely more torque, and it's less expensive than battery powered ones. But understandably, if you are doing remote work in the middle of a place where there is not sufficient power, then yeah, you need a battery powered one. But yeah, if you have access to power, definitely recommend a corded one, because you don't have to deal with recharging your batteries or running out of power at the most inopportune time. And I've even used these to trim trees, so they are a multi-purpose tool. I love it. Now they have newer models that have the quick disconnect blade holder thing. This one uses an Allen wrench that's attached to this little dongle. Just make sure you don't lose it. Yeah. But you know what? I didn't spend a whole lot of money on this in relative terms, and I think I've had it for, I'd say, about 12 years, 15 years. And it has served me well, so it was worth fixing. Back to life. So that's how you fix a intermittently working Craftsman 6.5 amp reciprocating saw. Hope that helped you. Later.